Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I've been on this kind of purple and turquoise kick here. I actually have a little bit of leftover paint that I'm going to use. And I'm going to do basically another painting with this color scheme. So there's some of the turquoise there. And I am adding a little bit of white. And then some more gold. And I'm actually out of black, so I don't think I can even add black to this one. Maybe, let's see, a tiny bit. Might have a tiny bit in this bottle. There we go. Yeah, got a little black in there. And some more purple. And this purple and turquoise are kind of my concoctions from various colors. Like this purple is, I think, an Artist Loft purple, and then Decoart Extreme Sheen. So it's kind of cool. And this is like 4 colors mixed. So I'm going to be doing a video coming up pretty soon. Let me know if this is something you're interested in, but it's going to be a video on mixing colors. So how to make turquoise and how to make, different pinks and different greens and stuff like that. Basically just mixing your own colors from pretty much primary colors. Someone asked for that and I thought it was a great idea. This is going to have a lot of turquoise in it. It is paint mixing day. So I'm kind of just wrapping up my bottles here, and then I'm going to have to mix some more. All right, I am hoping that that will be enough. Let's see if we can get a little, oh, I missed the cup. Oh, that's got to go down in some book or something. Awesome. A little more gold. Okay. So let's go for it. I'm going to actually flip cup this. And then let's go ahead and we'll let that settle for a minute, and then we'll pull it off and we'll see what we've got. All right, so we're back. I actually noticed that I've got some leftover paint that is in pretty much the same colors, and I'm going to use this to kind of hit up the corners. Now, I've been a little more hesitant to use the leftover paint that I've had that has had the Decoart pouring medium in it, because that separates. The Floetrol doesn't separate, and it'll stay fine for like forever. But with the Decoart pouring medium, which is in this cup, it does separate, and then that can give you an awesome painting at first, but then it can craze as it's drying. So I'm just gonna kind of use it on the corners there. All right, here we go. It's gonna be very turquoisey. So far, so good. Whoa. I just really like this color combo, especially the gold with the turquoise there, with like little pops of purple. Really pretty. And I definitely noticed that the metallics sell more, generally speaking. I believe that's just simply because of the densities. The metallics, I think, are pretty light. They tend to rise to the top. Okay. I think we're pretty good there. Just gonna bring it back this way just a little bit. Okay. Awesome. Definitely a lot definitely like nice and light. It's springy, I guess. Let's go ahead and we'll let this sit here for a bit, see what else develops. That gold is definitely selling up, and then we'll come back in and we will do our close-up. All right, so we are back. I just want to show you something very interesting that happened. One second. So this is where I used the leftover paint, and see how you can even see it separated there. Like it literally just separates. So that's like bare canvas right there that you can see through it. The rest of this is super duper duper awesome. I think I poured it off enough in the other corners to not really make that big of a difference. So what I'm going to actually do real quick is I have a little bit of the leftover paint, and I'm going to just hit this corner and also just make a mental note in the future to not save the deco art leftover paint. It does create beautiful paintings, but you just really can't save the paint. Once once it's done, it's done. No such thing as leftover paint with that. So I'm gonna tilt it back this way just a tiny bit here. Don't want to mess up my design too much, but I need to blend that in a little bit. Just gently. Okay, I think that'll be okay. It'll keep moving a bit more. I may even take a straw to it later, but let's go ahead and we'll do our close-up for now. All right, so we have lower right-hand corner where I just added that. Definitely some really cool cells and whatnot in here. I love these colors. I mean, look right there with the gold, the purple, and the turquoise. Super pretty. So upper right-hand corner over here. Going over here to the upper left-hand corner. Lots of fun, funky cells in there. It's like pieces of toast. I don't know. And I love this part. Down to the lower left-hand corner. And you can kind of see at an angle there how the gold kind of sits on top. This is a really pretty gold. And I also really love this section here. Super pretty. So there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this. Please do not forget to subscribe. I will post all of the products used down in the description, so definitely check that out. And I will see you next time.